Good afternoon to one and all. Before video lecture series, we have discussed about shaping machine and what are all the various types of shaping machine, what are all the various parts and constructional features of shaping machine, and with the help of shaping machine, what type of parts we can machine, etc. Now we are going to discuss about the shaping machine drive mechanism. There are about 3 different types of drive mechanism which is used in the shaping machine. First one is the without quick return mechanism. In this lecture video series, we are going to discuss about the first mechanism, that is without quick return mechanism. And second is the crank and slotted link quick return mechanism. Third one is the hydraulic quick return mechanism. This is the simplest diagram of the principle of quick return mechanism. While looking to the diagram, let us discuss about the principle behind the without quick return mechanism. When the link is in the position P, M, ram will be at the extreme backward position, whereas when it is in the position P, N, ram of the shaping machine is at the extreme forward position. PM and PN are tangents drawn to the crank pin circle. That means PM and PN are the tangents which is drawn to the crank pin circle. Forward cutting stroke takes place through the angle C1, K, C2. When there is an angle between C1, K, C2, forward cutting stroke takes place. In case of return stroke, the angle is from C2, L and then C1. It is evident that angle of C2K C1 is greater than that of the C2L C1. While looking into the image, it is evident that the angle of C2K C1 angle is greater than that of the angle C2L C1. That means angular velocity of crank pin is constant, so return stroke of the ram is completed within the shorter duration time. Therefore, it is known as quick return mechanism. Next, we will discuss about the ratio between the cutting time and return time of the quick return mechanism. Cutting time is to return time, which is equal to angle C1 K C2 is to angle C2 L C1. Cutting time is to return time ratio usually varies between 2:1. Practical limit is maximum of about 3:2. This is the example demo model of an crank and slotted link quick return mechanism. This is another one example. This is the return stroke and this is the forward stroke. While we look into the image, it is evident that the forward stroke makes a larger angle, whereas the return stroke makes a shorter angle. Next, we will discuss about the main parts of the mechanism. This is the bull gear, slide, bevel gear. This is the lead screw, the crank pin which is shown in the figure, and then bull gear sliding block, and then rocker arm sliding block, and this is the bull gear. This is the image of the 2D diagram of the without quick return mechanism, and this is the 2D diagram of the ram of the shaping machine. This ram portion moves forwards and backwards for the machining process. Next, we will discuss about the various elements of the quick return mechanism. Crank pin 11 is fitted into the slotted link 9. This is the slotted link. It is connected. At the bottom end of the slotted link, rocker arm. This is the rocker arm, which is attached to the frame of the column 15. Next, its upper end is connected to the ram 2. This is the ram. This is the upper end of the rocker arm. It is connected to the ram, and the lower end of the rocker arm is connected to that of the frame of the column 15. Electric motor drives pinion. Pinion drives the bull gear 14. A radial slide is bolted at the center of the bull gear. Radial slide carries a sliding block 12 and the crank pin 11. As the bull gear 14 rotates, crank pin 11 rotates. So sliding block 12 also rotates on the crank pin circle. Simultaneously, crank pin will move up and down in the slot of the slotted link 9. As the crank pin 11 moves, slotted link 9 gets rocking movement. This rocking movement is communicated to the ram. Thus, the rotary motion of the bull gear is converted into the reciprocating motion of the ram. While the bull gear rotates with the help of the slotted link mechanism, it gets converted into, as it is connected with the ram portion, the rotary motion of the bull gear gets converted into reciprocating motion of the ram. The ram moves forward direction as well as it moves backward direction. Thank you. Next class we will discuss about without quick return mechanism. Thank you.